Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make vegan gelato. Warm the milks gently and whisk sugar until dissolved, then infuse with flavor and cool thoroughly before churning. Use full-fat coconut or cashew cream for richness and a touch of cornstarch or agar to stabilize texture. Taste and adjust sweetness and salt, then churn until silky. Freeze briefly for scoopable gelato and serve with a simple garnish for contrast. Start by choosing a flavor base that complements plant milk, like vanilla, roasted hazelnut, or cocoa. Heat the base with a portion of the milk to extract flavor, then steep or roast ingredients to intensify notes. Sweeten gradually and blend thoroughly to avoid grainy textures, then cool the mix completely before aging. Proper chilling and rest time let flavors meld and create a smoother final gelato after churning. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like for more recipes. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is perfect for hands-free recipe timers and streaming music while you churn, and it fits right on a crowded counter. It's a small upgrade that keeps your hands free and your kitchen lively, so check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Control temperature and churn speed to achieve true gelato texture that is dense and silky. Chill the mixture overnight to let flavors develop and lower temperature so the machine works efficiently. Churn slowly to incorporate minimal air, then finish with a quick semi-freeze to set structure. Small amounts of alcohol or invert sugar can prevent hard freezing, delivering scoopable, authentic gelato straight from the freezer the next day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.